Yo, I am finally back, guys, with a new video. Did my 21-day Daniel fast, eating just vegetables and fruits, but feel like a little meat, and I specifically felt like some chicken leg quarters, so I got me a bag of that, and I got them in my pan here, and just added some of that liquid smoke to it. Then I'm going to season it up with some of this black pepper, going a little heavy on the black pepper. I don't know what's wrong with me. And I'll get that in there. Then I'll come back and I'm going to hit it with some of this garlic powder. I don't have any onion powder. I don't know how I forgot to get onion powder. But anyways, we'll make it work. Then I'm going to come in and add some of this chicken bouillon powder right here. I'm not going to add any seasoning salt, guys. I'm trying to make sure I keep watching my sodium intake. So leave the cinnamon seasoning salt out and just use a little bit of this chicken bouillon powder. And I'm coming and adding some of this smoked paprika to the top of it. Then I just give it a nice good mix, get all of those seasonings mixed together and nice and coated on this chicken. Then I came back and sprinkled a little bit more of that smoked paprika on the top. That's going to give it a nice pretty color once it comes out of the oven. And I put this in the oven, guys, covered for an hour and 10 minutes. And then I'll uncover it, let it go for another 15-20 minutes. Give my skin some color and crispiness. And this is how it came out looking right here. This is about an hour and 25, hour and 30 minutes cook time right here. Make sure you give these enough time to cook because they are on the huge side, but this came out looking absolutely beautiful, nice golden brown. Coming here and give it a little check. That leg gives just a little bit, you'll know it's nice and tender. And uncovering it for the last 20 minutes or so made the skin nice and crispy. So I'm not going to be plating this up with anything else today, guys. Just plating this up and taste testing it on its own. Some nice good oven baked chicken. Alright guys, coming in with a quick taste test. I got my baked chicken right here, my baked leg quarters. And we're not going to waste no time. I'm going to go ahead and give these bad boy a taste right here. Come in and get a piece off of the star right here. Let's get a piece off of the star. That's nice and tender. Look at that. Piece of that skin came off with it. That's juicy thigh meat. Look at that. You can see the juices in that still. Okay, give that a try. That's a winner. Oh yeah. That's nice and juicy. Perfectly seasoned. I didn't want to do too much with that seasoning salt, so I left that out. And that chicken bouillon was just perfect. Skin nice and crispy right there. Look at that. That's a delicacy. Delicacy. Get it right, Kenny. We're gonna save that for later. Come here, get a piece of that drumstick. Look at that. Nice and juicy. That's good. Oh, that's good. Alrighty guys, so this was just a quick little video just to get back into the swing of things. These chicken turned out absolutely delicious. And I enjoyed this. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment, and please subscribe to the channel if you're new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and I'm on Pinterest, Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. God sees it all, and He is still in charge. Peace.